Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Overnight, so there are some good news. US markets, S&P 500 hit a fresh all-time high. I think Nasdaq also fresh all-time high. And the economic data, whether it is our consumer price inflation data or producer price index data or the retail sales data. So all the data have been very good in US markets, and that's why US markets are moving higher and higher. And today, even Australian market hit a fresh all-time high. Slowly, one by one, the world markets are hitting all-time high. And that is natural because the inflation was very high for the last few years. You look at the property prices, so everything has gone up. So naturally, the markets also have to go up. But, we were having a kind of momentum. And even I thought this month Nifty might hit all-time high. The momentum was there. And Nifty went close to 25,650, which is just 2% away from all-time high, or 2 or 3%. And then if corporate results have been good, so that could have been achieved this month. But unfortunately, TCS has come out with one of the worst possible results, and the markets fell. And following the TCS, other IT companies also came out with bad results. Even the good results are not being recognized by the people. The Tech Mahindra came out with the good results, but still the markets fell. So people were eagerly waiting for key results from other sectors other than IT. So yesterday, the first time, Axis Bank result has come. Axis Bank GDR, it's closed about 1% higher. But again, so Axis Bank GDR is not a very liquid instrument. So therefore, it will be very difficult to say. And many times, these ADRs or GDRs might not be reflecting the true picture. So that is one thing. And Wipro came out with results yesterday. I think Wipro is more than 3% higher in US ADR. So the first thing is that, as of yesterday, IT stocks were still bleeding. TCS fell yesterday also, swing low after the results. And first thing is that the IT stocks have to stabilize and recover a little bit. And then other sectors will have to contribute. So I do not know how this Axis Bank is going to react, and then what is going to be the collateral damage of this Axis Bank results in other banks like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is coming under a kind of selling pressure for the last few trading sessions. People holding those shares are very, very jittery ahead of the results. So if the results are good, there may be some kind of a short covering in ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank, no, it is already trading at a higher level only. So HDFC Bank, even if the results are positive, it may not react very much on the higher side. But on the contrary, if the results are not good, it can react more on the downside. I remember seeing HDFC Bank around 1500, 1600 few months before, and now that has come to nearly 2000 rupees. So that's roughly about, percentage wise 30% plus. So that is a kind of rally this stock has seen already. But ICICI Bank is not like that. But if you look at the longer term perspective, like 3 to 5 year time frame, ICICI Bank has hugely outperformed HDFC Bank. So we need to see, we have to wait for the results. So today, important day. Why? Sometimes, Fridays can be a trending market. That's number one. Number two, especially the trending on the higher side can be very good if the previous day, that is Thursday, closing is at the lowest level. So remember yesterday, the Nifty closing was at the lowest level. Right? So that means more shorts are there, then global cues are good. And by looking at the GDR, Axis Bank result is not bad. But of course, if you look at the numbers, it's bad. So we do not know what is the expectation by the markets, right? So all these are there. Then the last 1 hour of today will be even more critical. That's because Monday morning, the markets can go for a big gap up or big gap down, depending upon HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance results. So therefore, people will not like to carry trading positions over the weekend, especially when there are so many key events are there. So I would say the morning also, one has to be very careful, and the last 1 hour also. As long as 25,000 is not broken on the downside, I will still maintain a bullish view, and the markets can reverse, can turn around. But 25,300 has to be taken out in the spot so that the rally can be sustainable. So until then, it has the potential to reverse. So, like 25,300, technically, like market has been long since Nifty broke 23,200. And this is one of the longest bull phase, actually, I would say, technically. But that has turned slightly bearish, not full bearish. The Nifty will become full bearish when 24,950 is broken on the downside, right? It'll be confirmed. But now the markets have turned slightly bearish. So this will become bullish when 25,300 in spot Nifty crosses. So this week, I'm not going to try to predict any range. That's mainly because of, corporate results, key corporate results. And, so sometimes, like we are going against the global trend. Globally, markets are hitting all-time high. We are going against the global trend. So if any small positive news, a short covering in just one day, you look at the chart on May 12, what has happened, and June 26, what has happened. So, like 300, 400 point Nifty can rally on the higher side. Right. At the same time, even if the results are bad, the markets are not going to fall 300, 400 point in a single day. Market may grind slowly, right? So that is my view. So for the time being, I'm thinking 24,800 is going to be a good support for this week from today until next Thursday. And then upper side may be 25,800. But the problem is that, 25,800 premiums is not even 10 rupees. The premiums are very, very low. I'm talking about the weekly expiry. Even monthly expiry premiums are, I think, will be about 25 rupees only. Not a big deal. But remember, one has to be very, very careful when everybody left, right, and center short the market. So that is when, some good news will come and the markets will shoot up because of short covering. So the markets are designed to reward the minority people, not the majority people. So if majority people are short in the market, you have to be very, very careful. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.